minimum value of natural number n for which the function fx is equal to greatest integer of 10x cube minus 45x square plus 60x plus 35 divided by n is continuous in the interval 1 to is. We suppose this numerator as ux, differentiate ux, write sign scheme of u dash x. Since u dash x is negative in this interval 1 to, therefore maximum value of ux will be at 1 and minimum value of ux will be 2, will be at x is equal to 2 in this interval. Since fx is equal to this and this numerator is ux, therefore fx will be equal to greatest integer of ux by n. For x lying between 1 to 2, ux lies between 60 to 55. Dividing each by n, we get this. That means ux by n lies between 60 by n and 55 by n. This is graph of y is equal to ux by n in the interval 1 to. If 55 by n and 60 by n be such two numbers that both lies between integer I and I plus 1. Both of these numbers lies between two consecutive integer. Then greatest integer of this number will be I. Greatest integer of any number between this interval 55 by n to 60 by n will be I. Therefore, graph of y is equal to ux by n greatest integer will be like this between 1 to 2. That means graph will be continuous. It will not break at any point in this interval. Now we will have to check that for which smallest natural number n, 55 by n and 60 by n, both lies between I and I plus 1. For fx to be continuous in the interval 1 to, this condition must be fulfilled. Now we first put n is equal to 5, 55 by n, 11, 60 by n, 12. Both do not lie between two consecutive integers. Therefore, n is equal to 5 is not acceptable. Similarly, we keep on checking, and when we put n is equal to 9, we see that 55 by n is equal to 6 and 1 by 9. While 60 by 9 is equal to 6 and 6 by 9. Both of these numbers lies between 6 and 6 plus 1, I and I plus 1. 6 and 7. Therefore, minimum value of n is 9. Therefore, entry P will be matched with entry 2. Minimum value of natural number n for which the function gx is equal to 2n square minus 13 and minus 15 x cube plus 3x is increasing in R. R means whole real line is. This is question. Now solution. We differentiate this. Since this is function of x, therefore this bracket should be considered as constant. This is constant. We differentiate this and write here. Take 3 common. Factorize this. G dash x is equal to 0 implies that n is equal to 15 by 2 and minus 1. G dash x is negative in this interval, but g dash x will be positive if value of n is greater than 15 by 2. G dash x will be positive, therefore gx will increase for all real number, but n is natural number. The smallest natural number, which is greater than 15 by 2, will be 8. Therefore, entry Q should be matched with 1. A smallest natural number n, which is greater than 5, such that x is equal to 3, is a point of local minima of function hx is equal to x square minus 9 to the power n x square plus 2x plus 3 is. Solution. We differentiate this hx and write h dash x is equal to this. Taking x square minus 9 to the power n minus 1 common and 2 also as common, we get this. Since we have to find a smallest natural number which is greater than 5, a smallest natural number which is greater than 5 is 6. Therefore, first we find h dash x for n is equal to 6, and then h dash x is this. H dash x is equal to 0 gives, from this we get x is equal to 3 and minus 3. This is equal to 0 can also give some real value of x. We suppose this expression as Vx. There is exactly one sign change in Vx. Therefore, Vx cannot have more than one positive root. But V0 is negative and V1 is positive. That means graph of y is equal to Vx must intersect x-axis at some point lying between 0 and 1. We suppose this point is alpha. Then this is 0, this is 1, this is alpha. That means Vx is equal to 0 has exactly one positive root alpha if it has any other real root, then they may be negative root, but more than one positive root is not possible. Exactly one positive root is there of this equation. Vx is equal to 0 and that root lies between 0 and 1. 0 and 1. That means when we write the equation h dash x is equal to 0 and find all value of x, then other real value will be on the left hand side of 0, one value alpha and one value 3 will be on the right hand side. We want to check at x is equal to 3. Since 1 lies between alpha and 3, putting 1 in place of x, we get negative value. This is negative, this is positive, therefore product is negative. Sign on the left hand side of 3 is negative and this root 3 occur 5 times, therefore sign will change on the right hand side of x is equal to 3, means sign of h dash x will be positive, therefore hx will have minimum value at x is equal to 3. Negative means curve decreases, positive means curve increases. Therefore, minimum value will be at x is equal to 3. Local minima. Therefore, minimum natural number n for which hx has local minima at x is equal to 3 is 6. Therefore, R should be matched with 4. Number of points at which function Lx is equal to sigma k0 to 4 sin mod x minus k plus cos mod x minus k plus 1 by 2 is not differentiable is solution. Lx is equal to, first we put 0 in place of k, then we get this and this. Then write plus sign and put 1 next number just greater than 0. Just greater than 0, next integer is 1. Therefore, x minus 1. X minus 1 plus 1 by 2. We get this and this. Then we write plus sign and now we put 2 in place of k in this way. Finally, we put 4 in place of k and write this. That means Lx is equal to this. We check differentiability of cos mod x minus a at x is equal to a. Left hand derivative is 0. Right hand derivative is 0. Left hand derivative is equal to right hand derivative. Therefore, Px is differentiable at x is equal to a. Therefore, this is differentiable at all real x. This is differentiable at all real x. This is also, this is also, this is also. Left hand derivative q dash a minus is equal to minus 1. And right hand derivative q dash a plus is equal to 1. Since both are not equal, Therefore, Lx is not differentiable at this Qx is not differentiable at x is equal to a. That means this Lx is not differentiable at x is equal to 0, at x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 2, at x is equal to 3, and at x is equal to 4. That means there are exactly 5 points at which Lx is not differentiable.